Hey, how you doing out there, everybody? Welcome to the shop, boys and girls. And I'm wearing a bright orange shirt because it's a day I've been waiting on. I finally got my Autel Evo, so I'm not going to waste a lot of time. This is just a unboxing and a quick kind of first impressions of what I think of. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so here you go. View from above, we got some packing material. We got a packing list. Yada yada. Very, very okay. Thank you very much. So I did get the on-the-go bundle, on-the-go accessory bundle that they were doing for Christmas. So that should be in here. First off, out of the box, we have the Autel Evo. We'll get back to that, I'm sure. But let's check out this on-the-go bundle. Because that's basically the only two things in this box. So, yeah, what is it? A sticker, maybe? Yes, and a sticker. Thanks, Autel. That is a sweet move. I'm old school. I still like stickers. So, kind of cool to get a sticker. I'm going to stick that right up there for now. And we'll break into this. Like I said, we'll get into the drone in a second. But in the meantime, let's look at this on-the-go bundle. All right. Nicely boxed. I like that. Includes soft bags, 2 batteries, and a propeller pair. So we'll see how that looks. If you got this during the holidays, they were giving you 2 extra batteries. 2 batteries, so 3 total. And the bag for free. So, depending upon how you look at it, I couldn't pass it up. So, on-the-go bundle, battery 1. Battery 2, and some propellers. So, and also in the bag, we have a bag. I mean, also in the box, we have a bag. So, get that out of the way. Rip some plastic. Here we go. Autel Evo on-the-go bundle bag. So, let's open it up. First off, feels good. It, feels like a bag, but it's pretty good solid. It's not cheap feeling. These feel pretty strong, giving them a good tug there. Not tearing. So you got a little front pocket here, kind of thin stuff. You got a main pocket here that has, I guess, room for 2 batteries here, and then room for a battery and a controller. Possibly, and then the drone here. So you got a little, maybe SD cards or something up here. Handle on top. Netting on both sides. Looks like a good little bag. I'm excited to. Oh, okay, there is a front pocket with a little bit more room here. So there's that back sliver of a pocket and then a front pocket. More room. Of course, you got your cable here. This is nice, the way they did this, in case you wanted to save it. You know, it's tough enough that it could be reusable if you wanted to bag that back up. So I'll push that off to I'm going to put that back in here for now. We'll look at it. Shouldn't be too exciting here, but we got a set of propellers. So I'm pretty sure this should just be a set. So 1 regular and 1 counterclockwise. So an extra set of propellers there. If you've ever flown drones, you know those are definitely really important. So 2 batteries, check these out. So they packaged it very well. It's got black foam on top. Autel Evo battery below. I push the button, it's already starting to blink green that it's on 1. So I won't look at both batteries, but I'll look at the battery here before we get into looking at the drone. It's heavy, but not terribly heavy. It looks good. It feels strong. You know, feels like it could take getting dropped a little bit there. It Do they have a protective? No, there's no protective coating over the battery. So you got the button to release it up top here. You got the spot where it connects here, and then you've got your ability to check it, check the battery on the back here. So, I mean, as far as how all of this fits together, the form, the lines, it's super smooth. It's definitely looks high quality and looks tough. You got a rated capacity 4,300 milliamp hours, 49.02 WH, and nominal voltage is 11.4 volts. So we'll set this bag off to the side, and if y'all are ready, we shall break into the piece de resistance. Autel Evo, born to explore, it says. I like it. I think I said I'm excited about this, but I'll say it again, I'm excited about this. It bears repeating, I've been saving for this, and I kind of saved, and then I made an adult move and paid a bill that I didn't want to pay, and then I saved up all over again, and while they were doing the on-the-go bundle for the holidays, I jumped on it. I couldn't wait anymore. Said, give me one before we go into the new year. I want to check it out. So let's get into it. I'll say right off the top, this box, very well designed. It looks clean. You got your information on one side, product codes on the other. As you open it up, they definitely took their time getting things right here. So inside you've got lots of fun happening. Let's get in here. I believe this, by the looks of this mark, is going to be our controller. Again, very well packed. These are cut perfectly. Yeah, that fits just near perfect. Or is it right up to where those antennas come away? So definitely what you would expect from a high quality piece of equipment. This bends out. It feels solid. It feels tough. You got your phone holder. It's a nice grippy rubber. It's not just some foam. It is definitely a solid rubber. Feels good. Controller flips out here. Got the feel. I've watched a few reviews on this already, so I knew what I was getting into here with this controller, and I will say it feels really good. It feels like it would be comfortable in your hand. A few people have kind of expressed not really understanding all of this handles down here, but I think it's going to take a little bit of using it before the jury can decide what I think on that. It does feel good in the beginning here. It's got a little protective coating I'll leave for now. Sticks, they feel pretty tough. Feel them. Buttons feel solid. On top here, you've got your record and your photo button for starting video and taking a picture. Then this actually, I believe, controls your tilt of your gimbal tilt. And then this will control different settings on the camera, ISO, stuff like that, I believe. So you've got your hold to start, to go home, power, hold to pause, aircraft, hold to take off and land. You got two sticks. You got an A and a B on the back of here. So, you know, slip this cover off of the antennas here. Antennas fold out. Now I've been told if you're flying up close, you keep them up like that or whatever. And if you're flying further away, then keep them down like that if it's further away. So don't know how much that matters, how much that doesn't, but again, you know, this is just first impressions video. This feels tough. Like, I know it's not metal, but it feels like it's strong. I'm pressing as hard as I can on here, and I'm not crushing it. We'll have to wait to fire that on to really see the beauty of the screen. don't even want to touch it yet. I just want to get into the peripherals. Got a power cable. One of the first things I am going to do is get this bad girl charging. So let's see how that works. Alright, you got your charger port here. And this appears to where you would plug your battery into here. So, okay. Battery has a little cover over the battery connector there, so you just flip that out of the way. I'm going to grab one of the battery I already opened up. Is it this one? I'm going to go ahead and get a battery charging. So, I've got a power bank underneath here, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to get this drone out. Dun 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 dun. The Autel Evo. Again, we're coming back to you. And I think this is gonna be my charger. There are an extra 1, 2 props. So, if you get the on-the-go bundle, in total you'll end up with 4 extra propellers. I kind of feel like if there's one place they held back that was there, hopefully you don't bust your propellers up and have to get them too quick. But that one thing you might want to add to your list of things to get real quick would be some more propellers just in case. So I am plugging in. That made it in. Felt really good and solid plugging in. I'm going to go ahead and set this controller here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this battery in. Hold it up so you could see me do this here. Plug this battery into the back. Feels really solid going in there. I mean, not like hard to do it, but just smooth machining. Made it in there really nice. So again, this is starting off at a 1. Got power under there, so if I apply it here, we should have power. See, do I see? I see Autel Robotics turning on here. And my battery is charging. So battery is charging. And we got the battery in the controller charging as well. So sweet. Got that working. I feel a little better. We can get to the rest of this. Are there more? No, these are just books. A quick guide, disclaimer, and safety instructions. So far, no full-on manual. That's not completely surprising. I've already read the manual, parts of it online, looking at the PDF. So I know kind of what I'm getting into. Doesn't mean I'm going to get all this stuff right. But anyway, let's break into the piece, the fun, what we all came here to see. The Autel Evo. Now I'm going to be careful getting this out. Alright. So all that's got left in the box is some silica gel. Don't eat that shit, okay? And some Autel Evo boxes. Here we go, baby. The Autel Evo. First crack. Nice. Nice. Feels good. Oh man, yeah, feels good. It, you know, just first looking at this. Okay, so packing. I'll toss that in there. You got your gimbal control. Looks like a little button says to pull down here. Is this taped? Do I just got to, okay. So you got to squeeze pretty tight to get that loose. And we have the fun. I got a little cover over the camera here. That feels good. I'm really, really excited to get to see this. So the gimbal dropped down when I took off the thing. Now it's kind of leveled back out here. So yeah, as it turns, it'll kind of face down. But it overall, looking at this camera, it looks like you're gonna have to be a little careful with it, but it does look sealed up tight. Again, all of the lines on the drone seem to be pretty tight and together. It says quick battery level. I'm gonna just push it, see what pops up. Checking it right here, quick battery level. It's between 2 and 3, so that definitely would need to charge before I use it. Some of the first things to notice with it, you got your forward sensors, you got your rear sensors, then you got your downward positioning sensors. There's actually some here and here that work on positioning and taking pictures of the ground. But when the Autel Evo sits pretty tough here. They did take care to cover these propellers well. All the propellers are wrapped, and so is this battery and everything. I'm gonna see, do I gotta cut this tape? To get these off. Yeah, they'll pull them hard enough. So, to complete the box opening, clear out all the packing junk, clear my knife. This is what you get with the on-the-go bundle. All in all. Bag, 2 batteries, 3 batteries total, some cords, a couple of little books, a sticker, some extra propellers, and your controller charger. Immediate first thoughts. So far I'm impressed with the build quality, the attention to detail on the packaging. You know, I have flown a few other brands of drones, but I was very, very excited to see something coming out that's a solid competitor, that's ready to, you know, try to make some waves and, you know, make some new drones. And so I really am excited for Autel. And if you're watching Autel, I'm going to do a video on the best and the worst things you're doing, in my opinion, as a drone company. I wanted to get my hands on an Autel Evo before I talked anything about it. So I'm excited to get this. I'm going to record some more videos, so stay tuned. If this is your first time on the channel, my name's Jacob. This is Black and Tan Media, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. We do videos here and there. We got some stuff coming in the new year, so I'm excited to get this Evo flying later on today, maybe. So thanks for checking it out. I hope to see you around. Peace.